Hello, today we'll be looking at the removing duplicates function of Excel. First of all, we look at the basis of how to apply it. Let's say this is a random number series. It's a long repetition of numbers. So first of all, we click on the column where we require to apply the function, and then go to the data tab, and there we find this remove duplicates function. It has already selected the numbers here, and it has already selected that my data has headers because the header has a different header is in text and the numbers are as numbers, so it is able to detect that. So when we press OK, we get that 748 duplicates have been found, and it presents us with the values that are unique. So this is the basics of how to apply the remove duplicates function, and we move on to the first example of how to do it. Now we see that there are various products listed down here which are also repeating again and again, and when we see that the header is also in the same font, so we again click on the column and go to the remove duplicates font, and similarly we apply that, and we are left with the unique values in the end. This is how easy it is. Now let's put in a more complex example. Here we are given the various unit prices and also the product at which we sold these products at which price is given to us. So first of all, column where we need to apply the remove duplicates function, and then we click on remove duplicates. Here we select both the columns since we want that both of them has to be unique. So when we click OK, it lists down the various values at which both of them will be unique. So we can see that arrowroot is again repeating here, but because of the unit price has changed, and hence we are getting that how the changes of the prices have occurred. So this is how to apply it in two columns, and when we move on to the multiple columns, now here we have to check if how the prices have changed when with the change in date and also the product price. So in total we'll be using the three columns that are here given here. So we have to select the remove duplicates, and then we need to select order date, product and unit price because we are applying the remove duplicates in these three columns. So we remove the ID from here and select OK, and we are given with this. So this is how easy it has gotten us. So we can see that arrowroot has increased from 1.53, has remained 1.53 in on 30th, and so and is changing here to 2.18 on 27th. And to apply more sense to it, we can change this to oldest to newest, so that we can change when we create a graph or a pie chart to see how the prices changed. We can look through that. Moving on to the fourth example, which is more important because here we have applied it in a real life example. So this is the data that analyst tools give us in digital marketing area. So these are the various click timings that the customer has clicked on the app, and this is the media source that we have been using that is used to advertise the app. So this is the device ID, and we can see that the device ID is repeating and again because first the customer is clicking and then he is downloading. So in order to see that we are not able, this is a huge data structure that we've been given. There are about 31,000 entries. So if we need to find out the number of unique downloads that have been happening in the past few days, that is, and with respect to the various media sources, that is the advertising partner that we are using, and to check the performance of that partner. So we need to find out delete the duplicates that are present in the device ID to get just the downloads, and then we can make a pivot chart. So let's apply this. First we go to remove duplicates. Here we unselect all and only select what is required by us, and that is just the device ID. Go to OK. So we get only 6,603 unique values, that is only 6,603 downloads have happened, and out of these, if we create a pivot table, we need to go to insert and go to pivot table, and then in a new worksheet let's select the total number of device IDs in the values, and then then we require this the media source that has been used to get these. So we get that Adequity has given us 370 downloads, whereas Google has given us just 33, and whereas InMobi has given us more than 2,899, and 79 has given us 3294 downloads. Hence 79 is the best out of all three. And this is how this whole remove duplicates can be applied with other functions, and hence we use to break down the data to make sense out of it. Thank you.